Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer Motion. Framer Motion is an incredibly powerful and easy-to-use animation library for React. It allows developers to bring their user interfaces to life with smooth, production-ready animations. You can animate anything from simple fades and slides to complex gestures and interactive components, all with a very intuitive API. It's designed to make animation accessible and fun for everyone. To begin, simply install Framer Motion using your preferred package manager, like NPM or Yarn. Once installed, import the Motion component into your React file. Then, transform any standard HTML or SVG element into an animatable one by prefixing it with Motion. For example, Motion div. You can then define your target animation styles directly on this component using the animate prop, making your first animation in just a few lines of code. Framer Motion offers several core properties to control your animations. The initial prop defines the element state before any animation begins. The transition prop allows fine-tuning of animation parameters, such as setting a duration of 1 second or a delay of 500 milliseconds. For interactive elements, while hover and while tap provide immediate visual feedback. Furthermore, the variance prop is excellent for orchestrating multiple animations and managing complex states efficiently. Beyond basic animations, Framer Motion provides advanced features. You can add interactive drag gestures to any element with just the drag prop. For more control, the Use Animation hook allows you to imperatively start, stop, or sequence animations. To animate elements entering and exiting the DOM, the Animate Presence component is essential, ensuring smooth transitions. You can also orchestrate animations across multiple children using properties like Stagger Children for a cohesive effect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.